So, hello everyone, and my name is Jared, and you're probably wondering who I am and why are you watching this right now. Well, I'm about to tell you. So, I really wanted to start YouTube for years now. So, may kukwento po ako sa inyo. After graduating senior high, gusto ko na talaga mag-start ng YouTube. Kaya nung April yata, tama, April. 1 week after I graduated senior high, I published my first cover, Genie in a Bottle by Christina Aguilera. Well, if you haven't watched my cover, please check at the link in the description below. And ano ba yung sasabihin ko dito? Dumami po, hindi po. Parang nung nagsimula ako pong nag-cover ng isang short ko, nagkaroon ako ng isang subscriber. Tapos yung pangalawang short ko po, yung yung Night Changes by One Direction. Nagkaroon po ako ng 4 subscribers. Medyo naman dumadami naman yung views ko, but I think it's not quite enough. So, nag-decide po ako na gumawa ng isa pang cover, which is Love Story by Taylor Swift. Medyo parang dumami na yung views ko, pero mga 100 pa rin. Pero bago ako nagsimula ng YouTube, nag-upload po ako ng cover ng Rewrite the Stars sa aking Facebook. I even pinned that post on Facebook, and it reaches 1K views, and it's now 3K views or 3,000 views na sa Facebook. Madami naman talaga nag-like sa akin po. Maraming talaga yung mga friends, my relatives, pati na po yung mga dati kong kaibigan. So, now what? After this, nagsimula na ako ng grade 12. After school, gumawa po ako ng mga song covers. Now, what's this? Song covers. Gumawa din po ako ng mga song covers sa Facebook. Tapos, ano yun? Ano tawag dito? Gumawa po ako ng mga song covers sa Facebook. At kumanta din po ako habang nasa school din. Ako yung huling student na lumabas ng classroom, nag-decide po ako na i-video po ako kumanta. After this, marami na talaga ang nag-like sa akin. So, day by day, week by week, gumawa ako ng mga covers sa YouTube. That is after I graduated senior high. And that's how I became a YouTuber. Thank you everyone, and peace out.